Oh my God.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. And before we continue, head on over to the Facebook page, which is
TVJ Daytime Live.
because we have some giveaways for our
Sky
guests.
Dweller Lounge tickets.
Ultra Lounge.
Ultra Lounge, I'm
Ultra
sorry.
Lounge.
Yes, to get some smoking stuff I didn't get to taste, but I'm going to taste it later and tell you how it is. Yes.
But
so,
right now, the lady of the moment, we have with us Rain Seville. How you doing, Rain?
Hey, I'm fine. How are you?
I don't know. You just said something to me. I'm nervous.
Really?
he's having a good time. You look lovely, by the way. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
the show.
Thank
That's
you
what I
very
was gonna
much.
The
say.
voice of
I was
reason
gonna say
here.
that.
Okay. Thanks for having me.
Our pleasure. Now, can we talk a little bit? Because I know a lot of times on your Instagram page, we see this beautiful mini-me. Yes, what is her name?
Layla Ray Thompson.
Layla Ray Thompson. That's your daughter, obviously, and she is stunning. I believe we have a
Yes.
little video of you guys.
Oh, okay.
Let's take a little
Let's
look.
take a look.
Yes, we like to big up, yes.
Ambition if you have ambition. Ambition if you have ambition.
Hey.
Don't bomb for if you have ambition. Stay in school if you have ambition. Work your money if you have ambition. Me a talk to boy, girl, woman and man.
Hey, hey.
Ambition if you have ambition.
Hey.
Ambition if you have ambition. Don't feel to me no know. Me a
That's excellent. When can I go see her on tour? When is she releasing her album?
Girl, very soon.
Yes.
Very
So, like, how
soon.
your name is Rain. What's her nickname? Drizzle?
Ray.
Sizzling.
No, Raindrop.
Raindrop.
Yeah, because even when I
That's
was having my
nice.
baby shower, the cards were Raindrop, and that was the theme.
Excellent.
All right, so you're finishing off the final stages of your new album. Do you have a name for it?
Moods, many moods of rain.
Moods of rain.
Yeah.
I like that.
Because
I like that.
if you follow my career, you see that I sing. I started out singing, just straight singing. But as I blossomed it in the business, I started sing J and DJ. So it's the many moods of rain.
Okay.
Tell us a little bit about the song you're going to perform for us now. Which one are you going to do?
All right, so this song is called Clue. For all of the fashionistas them,
That's right.
for all of the natural body ladies them. Yes, Clue. Cause you have some girl that don't have a clue.
That is
so now
true.
me I big up the girls them will have a clue.
All right, I can't wait to hear
I
it.
big up
This
DJ
is-
Liquid. He produced this one.
It's
All right,
yours,
all right, Rain, take it
All
away.
right.
Yes. We'll go over here.
Big up the confident ladies in the house. Confident ladies in the house. Let me hear you. Ow. All girls big up. Hey, some girl I don't me them not know nothing. Man I treat them like Ali Button. Ali Button them not good for nothing. Ladies one of that. Some girl not have a clue. Want me good as I don't know if it do. Brazilian here enough is show no glow. Me no know I want to you. Your foot can't step in on me show them not have a clue. Want me good as I don't know if it do. Brazilian here enough is show no glow. Me no know I want to you. Your foot can't step in on me show. Some girl not eating me no flush style it. Fashion them in a me first style it. Try me image and them a spoil it. Them a lead by a inch, me a mile it. Buy my things, me no shoplift. My looks right, me no need facelift. Body real, I no plastic, so all a girl a chat, watch ya. Want be good as I don't know if it do. Brazilian here no for show no glow. Me no know I want to you. Your foot can't step in on me show, them not have a clue. Want be good as I don't know if it do. Brazilian here no for show no glow. Me no know I want to you. Your foot can't step in on me show. Them clueless, full of stress. Only thing them pass a AIDS test. One like them a turn them a beat them chest when we don't know them life is a mess. But show my bless, them begs. I know me make you turn X. The man claims say you're clueless and you are easy access. Some girl not have a clue. Want be good as I don't know if it do. Brazilian here no for show no glow. Me no know I want to you. Your foot can't step in on me shoe. Them not have a clue. Want be good as I don't know if it do. Brazilian here no for. Where the good girl am there? What me say? Some girl not eating me no flush style it. Fashion them in a me first style it. Try me image and them a spoil it. Them a lead by a inch, me a mile it. Buy my things, me no shoplift. Me looks right, me no need facelift. Body real, I no plastic, so all I gotta chat, watch ya. Some girl never want be good as I don't know if it. Come on, good as. Show them can't step in on your shoe, them never clue. Want be, hey. Brazilian here, no fit. Hey, me no know I want. Me can't go solo in a mini girl. Hey.
Go ahead, doctor. Go ahead.
Try me. A while ago, she said.
Wait. wait, sorry, let me
While
get
ago
my...
she said good as walk out. I was not going to leave from over there.
So you know good as Sue?
Listen to me.
I love that song.
Thank you.
That's really, really nice.
Yeah, man, it came out 2 months ago, so you know the video coming out soon, so look out for it.
Exactly. And tell us a little bit about your social media handle. Where can we find you?
All right, so it's at Rain Seville, RAINESEVILLE.
All right,
That's
big
it.
up
That's
yourself.
simple. That's your name.
Yeah, my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Rain Seville.
Keep,
I like
keep,
that. I
Yes.
like that. I
keep
like
it
that.
simple.
I like that.
Simple, right?
All right, thank you for joining us on the
Thank
show,
you.
and you're looking fabulous. Yes.